Hello everyone, myself Nilay Parekh. In today's lecture, we will discuss switch case statement. Switch case statement is alternative of if-else-if ladder. When we have multiple cases or multiple choice and we need to select only one choice, then we will use this switch case statement. In this concept, lots of new keyword will come in our lecture. First switch, then case, then default, and then break. These all are keyword. So we know when we have multiple conditions and we need to choose only one, then we will use this switch case statement. So as you can see, the syntax part, switch, then in bracket expression. Now expression must be a constant value. It only support integer or character data type value. You can use expression or you can use direct value of integer or character. But if you are using a value of float and other data type, it will not support it. So switch, then expression, then curly bracket, then case space value 1 colon. The case statement will terminated by colon, not semicolon, colon. This value 1 will check with the expression. If it is equal, then it will execute that case value 1 statement block and break and semicolon. If we are not writing break, then it will move to the another case. So here we have to write break in all case value. Here you can use case value 1, case value 2, case value up to n. जिसकी भी वैल्यू एक्सप्रेशन के साथ मैच हो जाएगी उसका स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स वहां वो स्विच करेगा. इफ any of the value is not matched with the expression, that means by default statement will be executed. Default, then the statement of default and closing curly bracket. This is the syntax part. From this syntax, now let's understand the flowchart. Condition, value 1, value 2 up to value n. If value 1 is correct and match with the expression, execute value 1 statement block, value 2 statement blocks up to value n statement block. If any of the value is not match with expression value, then default statement block and further move to statement X or stop. We understood the description portion, syntax portion, flowchart portion. Now let's understand this concept with a small example. The aim of our example is we will add two numbers A and B and see our answer. We will display a menu. Press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, press 3 for multiplication and press 4 for division. If anyone press not 1 to 4 but a different number, we will display wrong choice. So first we will start hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, then our main integer a equals to 2, b equals to 2 and c. Here you can take printf, enter the value of a, enter the value of b, scanf a, scanf b, it is up to you. Then printf, press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, press 3 for multiplication, press 4 for division. Switch and the expression value from either from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Case 1. 1 is our value 1 and we mention 1 is for addition. Case 1 colon. C equals to A plus B. Printf addition equals to percentage %d, C and break. Case 2 colon. C equals to A minus B. Printf percentage D, C. Break. Case 3. C equals to A into B, printf percentage D, C. And case 4. C equals to A divide B, printf percentage D, C. मतलब कि क्या, अगर आपने 1, 2, 3, 4 में से कोई भी एक चॉइस की होगी तो वो चॉइस मैच हो जाएगी और वो आपको प्रिंट करके देगी. इन केस यूजर 1, 2, 3, 4 के अलावा कोई और चॉइस डाल रहा है, देन इट विल गो टू द डिफॉल्ट printf wrong choice, break and curly bracket. So let's see the output. If we are entering 3, so our output will be like 2 into 2, 4. So this is it. In today's lecture, we understand switch case statement with description, example, syntax and flowchart. I have prepared a small quiz exam from this switch case concept. Do attempt it. Link is mentioned in description. If you have any query, please mention us in comment section. So we are signing off for today. Thank you.